In this video, we are going to visit Aluva Mahadeva Temple and Anjaneya Kshetram in Aluva in Ernakulam district in Kerala. Aluva Mahadeva Temple is an ancient Hindu temple dedicated to Lord Shiva and situated on the bank of the river Periyar at Aluva manappuram in suburban Kochi. The presiding deity of the temple is Lord Shiva facing east, and sage Parashurama has installed the idol. It is part of the 108 Shiva Temples of Kerala. The temple is mostly known for the Aluva Shivaratri festival. Namaskar. Welcome to Satish Shankar's Vibes. Aluva is located on the banks of Periyar River, 21 kilometers from Ernakulam. The Mahadeva Temple is situated at a distance of about 1 kilometer from the Martandavarma Bridge in NH 47. Periyar River splits into two near Aluva Railway Bridge, and after the splitting, one part is called Mangalapura. Aluva Mahadeva Temple is located on the sandbank in between the Mangalapura and Periyar River. The unique feature of Aluva Mahadeva Temple is that the Shiva Linga is not enshrined in a Sri Kovil. The Swayambhu Shiva Linga installed by Lord Parasurama and worshipped by Lord Shiva rises out of the sandbanks of the Periyar River. This place is called the Aluva Manalpuram, land with sand. There are many legends associated with this temple. After installing the lingam, Parasurama built a temple here but was destroyed by flood. Lord Shiva told him that no temple structure will exist at this place because he does not want a temple structure for protecting the lingam. Lord Sri Rama, during his search for Sita, performed Tarpana for Jadayu here. During the monsoon season, the whole region gets flooded and the Shiva Linga gets submerged in water. A small temple is constructed to perform pujas during monsoon season. This temple is called Bala Kshetram. It is a fact that though unfinished in nature, this temple has withstood many a flood and still stands as an enigma to the architects regarding its foundation and structure. The Shiva Linga faces east. There is a Nandi Pradishta in front of the temple. There is only one puja daily performed here. From Makaram 1 to Medam 1, only Athara puja is performed, and on all other days only Naivedyam is offered. Shivaratri in Kumbam, Utsavam in Meenam, Vavubali in Tulam, and Karkadaham are the festivals. Dara and Rudrabhishekam are the main offerings. The most important festival of Aluva Temple is the Maha Shivaratri in Kumbam. There is no other place in Kerala where Shivaratri is celebrated on such a grand scale as in Aluva. The Shivaratri festival is a colorful celebration, and devotees stay here the whole night in prayer and pay homage to their ancestors. In addition to the observance of Shivaratri rites, most of the pilgrims offer bali to their ancestors in the morning succeeding the holy night. A dip in this river at the Brahma Muhurta after observing the rituals of Shivaratri is considered very sacred. The festival concludes with the Aratu on the next day of Shivaratri.
Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.
Next, we are going to visit Sri Datta Anjaneya Temple in Aluva in Kerala. His Holiness Sri Sri Ganapati Sachidananda Swamiji of Mysore has constructed this temple and also his ashram at this place. This temple has shrines for Lord Siddharaja Dattatreya, Sri Karyasiddhi Anjaneyar and Sri Maha Ganapati.
Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram. 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 Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram.
There is a special coconut puja is performed at Karyasiddhi Anjaneyar Temple. The puja brings all wishes cherished, obstacles removed, sufferings ended, and this is the most famous offering at this temple. Devotees who perform Mandala Nalikera Vridam, special coconut puja, offer a coconut with husk to the temple, which remains there for 41 days for pujas. They should chant Om Shri Karyasiddhi Anjaneya Swaminaye Namaha at least 108 times a day. Come to the temple daily or as per the convenience and perambulate for 41 times. On the 41st day, the devotees need to reach the temple, get the coconut back and take it home as prasadam and consume it.
Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram. 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 Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram.
Behind the Karyasiddhi Anjaneyar Temple, there is a Pathala Anjaneya Temple and also a beautiful garden on the banks of river Periyar.
Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram. 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 Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram.
If you like this video, express it by pressing the like button, share it with your friends and family. Do share your views in the comment section below and please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you and we shall meet in our next video.